Would you like to speed up your workflow? Let me quickly show you how I use a Photoshop script to export groups into JPG or PNG images. I created this script primarily to export preview images from various mockups. As you can observe, when I use it, I can choose between JPG or PNG format. Upon selecting a format, it prompts me to choose a folder for saving the images. Once you've selected the folder, the images are saved. Notably, the image name matches the group name. The exciting part is that you can build your own mockups and simply replace them with new designs. For instance, in this case, I can replace it with a bunny design. When I save that smart object, all the images are updated automatically. If I run the script again, it will save all those updated images. Ensure that all the groups are visible before exporting them. They can have any group name and can have as many groups you want. If you run the script twice, it will replace the existing images. Therefore, if you want them to be different, save them in a different folder. Now, I have these 3 blank images. Let me show you how I created this mockup. I will close this one and create a new document in the size you prefer. I use this process for various previews for markets like Design Bundles, Creative Market, or Creative Fabrica. Then I drag all the images into Photoshop and resize them. First, check which frame is the largest and draw a rectangle shape of a similar size. Name that layer and then right-click and select Convert to Smart Object. If you double-click on it, you will enter that smart object. You'll see it opens a new document named Design PSB at the top. Inside this smart object, you can add your design. For instance, I will add the bunny and then delete the background. Close and save the smart object. Let's take it step by step. This one looks okay. Now I will bring another layer on top, the one with a home interior, and duplicate that smart object and drag it on top. So now you will have the same design on this mockup as well. Use transform to resize it so it fits the frame. You can use multiply or add color effects or gradients to the design. Let's duplicate it again for the last mockup. And use the shortcut Ctrl+T to access the transform tool, making it easier to resize quickly. You can change the colors, add various effects, or adjust settings to make the design blend better with the mockup. Now let's organize them into groups for exporting using the script. Click on the design in the background image, use Control to select multiple layers, then create a group. Alternatively, you can create a group first and then add your design to it. It's important to be organized in groups for the script to work correctly. If you wish, you can give a meaningful name to each group, so when you save the images, they will have that name. With all the layers visible, go to File, then Scripts, and select Export Groups to JPG or PNG. This option will appear here if you have installed the script. If not, use Browse and load it from where you saved the script. I will create a new folder where the images will be saved. In a few seconds, we have all the images. Imagine you have many groups, like 30 or so. It would take a lot of time to make each group visible and save them individually, but with the script, the process is much faster. Once you have all your mockups organized, you can replace the design or make additional changes inside the smart object. You can add a color with a clipping mask, a gradient, or apply a gradient overlay directly to the shape. Once saved, all the designs will be updated. And in this case, I have an effect on the smart object, so by hiding that, the design will appear as intended. Now when you're ready, you can use the export script again. I'll add in the comments a link from where you can download this script for free. Once downloaded, extract the contents of the zip archive. In that folder, you will find the script, a quick guide on how to install it, and where to place the script to make it work. You can also create shortcuts for faster access. I've included a PSD file so you can start playing with it right away. It's just a PSD with 3 groups, and when you export it, you can see the contents of those groups exported as JPGs or PNGs if you want transparency. I will post the link in my Pixaroma community on Facebook. It will be a Google Drive download link available as soon as the video goes live. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the group. Thank you for watching, and if you have ideas for other Photoshop videos, please let me know. Have a great day.